How to get started with affiliate marketing. So basically, affiliate marketing is when you join an affiliate program to sell someone else's products.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
So when you decide to sell someone else's products, they give you an affiliate link from the affiliate program. Then put this link on to your website or on social media, wherever you have an audience. They click on these links and you make commissions on them. So that is a simple idea with affiliate marketing. Sell someone else's products. On the back end, you join the affiliate program. They give you an affiliate link. You send this link or you put this link on your platform, whether social media or on your website. People who are searching for particular questions or queries related to something they want to buy, click on those links and then they make the purchase. You earn a commission on them. That is as simple as that. But how do you get started? So if I'm starting once again or starting all afresh, this is how I'm going to get started. In as much as Amazon has been reducing its fees when it comes to its Amazon affiliate marketing, most Amazon associates are crying because Amazon keeps on reducing its fees. But they are still the best place to start, or the best way to start affiliate marketing. I'll go with Amazon because they have the best conversion rates probably in the world. People tend to buy on Amazon platform than anywhere else. They have people's credit cards on file. All they need to do is to click on buy now and the product will be shipped to them. Amazon is so good with conversion rates that they can upsell people on buying so many things on their platform. They have invested so much on their platform. People make purchases, millions of dollars every day that you can benefit from. So I'll still recommend Amazon Associates or Amazon Affiliate Marketing as a place you can start with. And if you want to start with Amazon Associates, there are two ways to do this. Is either you have time or you have money. I've mentioned this in a lot of videos, but that's the simplest idea. I wouldn't go into technical terms, how you should start or whatever. I'm just giving you the ideas you should use to quickly make it on Amazon. If you have time, YouTube is your best option. You can find information there. Where should you find the information? Everywhere. And that is the advantage with you. If you have a system, you need a system to make this work for you quickly. If you're going to be searching on YouTube, you'll be searching for it on YouTube for quite some time, a year or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have done this. I did it on my own. I had time. So I was looking for free information and it took me so long. After 5 years, that is when I started seeing real results after doing so many things in another 5 years. So I've spent almost 10 years in learning all of this. So with affiliate marketing, if you have the time, you can learn and get information from YouTube. You just have to put in a query, whatever you want to learn, and someone is up there to teach you. Or you have the money to invest. If I was starting once again, I don't know where I'll find the money. I'll go find the money and invest in a better course or a system that would help me quickly pick up, make mistakes, and then start earning. And my best resource now is not a course. I'll give you this platform here, Human Proof Designs. This is a company that I've mentioned this in a few videos already. They have created a platform for you to buy ready-made affiliates, Amazon affiliates websites. And they are going for just around $1,300. That is a steal for you. They have products on this site already. This site is already live. You don't have to buy a domain name or web hosting, do all of the niche research and all the crazy things that comes with Amazon affiliate marketing websites. They even have email marketing already up here for you. They have an ebook for you already. Why should you waste your time doing all of this? That may probably cost you more than the $1,300 you'll be spending on this. I'll put the links to this in the description area. Go get one of this if you want to start quickly. This is the best option for you to start. Or if you want to start afresh, there you go. Why you should go with these people? Because they are tried and tested. People are already buying this. They are selling this like crazy. Why? A lot of them sold already. You can look at the niches if you want to get to know a lot more about micro niches, game headset, kettlebell, people have bought this already because they are tried and tested and they have done the work for you already. Why do you waste your time if you want to get started immediately? If you have the money, if I was starting again, I'll go with this. Other than that, there's a form on the description here. I'll be teaching you how to do this for free, but I can assure you this is going to take you between 6 and 1 year, at least 2 years at most, comfortably. Then you can start earning some money. But with this, within 6 months, I can promise you, if you follow whatever system they will give you here, you choose the best niche and follow orders here, you can start earning quickly. A disclaimer here, this is not typical, because you may feel that since you have invested, you need to start earning quickly. No, you need to put in work. Without work, affiliate marketing doesn't work. If you want to do serious Amazon affiliate marketing, you need to work even harder than your 9 to 5 if you have one. If you don't have 9 to 5, then put all that you have in this, 20 hours a day. If you have that, why you should do this is that if you put that more time and energy and resources in this and master this, that is when you start earning passive income. Then you can now rest. So work now and rest tomorrow. That's the idea. Because if you start earning $1,000 a month passively, because that money will come every month for you, you don't need to work again. You only outsource the routine work, creating blog posts and articles, to someone to do that for you, a VA or someone to do that for you, and you can live your life and start enjoying life as you've always wished for yourself. So this is another option for you to start quickly, or you start afresh and then buy your domain name, website, do your keyword research and all those nitty-gritties that comes with building a website. So this is my option for you if you want to start Amazon affiliate marketing and want to start affiliate marketing as a whole. You start here, you can then promote other products. These people will help you promote ClickBank products as well. They are good with that. And other e-commerce platforms as well, Shopify and all of that. I really recommend these people for you to start quickly. This is a bootstrap system, and the investment will make you work hard to make this work for you. So if you want to go with Amazon as an affiliate, start quickly. And if you are going with Amazon, I prefer you start with these people here, make the investment, and then start earning real money. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you want more in-depth, quick, and profitable proven methods that I'll give you here. You can never get from anywhere. No nonsense, no fluff, no boo. See you. And with that, I wish you well. Have a nice day.